Hello guys, welcome to this week's update on gold. We've got USD CAD, pound USD, DXY, and oil. And quickly starting off with gold here, we see my anticipation was for price to pull into this region, which it did, and continue to the upside. A break of this region to 720 region, a retest and a continuation. Price did play out all great, but I couldn't get in because first around this period wasn't my trading time. This was Asian period, the Asian session, and I couldn't get in for a buy here. And next I was waiting for a break and retest here. It was not the kind of retest I needed, and we saw price continue to the upside. So basically I'm probably still waiting for a price to pull back to this region, so 2720 one more time, and maybe I can get another pullback from there. We can continue to buys to possibly 2780 to 790, the previous highs. All right, that's that for gold. And USD CAD, I think I just probably wave this one out. We can see that USD CAD is just fluctuating. You don't know exactly where it's headed right now. At this point, my anticipation was for price to break above here, a retest and a continuation, and you can see we just saw price keep playing around that region here. So for now, I'm probably going to kick off USD CAD and watch what it does. It's kind of messy right now. Pound USD, my anticipation was a break below 121.35, a retest, we can continue to the downside, or if price breaks above 1.2320, we can continue to the upside. Price has broken, but I'm also taking a look at this region of 1.2366 as a key resistance region. It's previously held as a support, and now it became a resistance. Price is resisting here. Look at what I'm anticipating going forward for pound USD. Either we could see price break into this region, use here to create a head and shoulder pattern, and we can continue to the downside, or I'll be looking at to for buy entries if price comes back to break above 1.2366. then I can look for opportunities to continue to the upside. That's what I'll be looking out for pound USD so far. And then DXY, we saw my anticipation was if price do break above this region and create retest it, we'll see that DXY is heading to the upside, so we can start selling pound USD as a confluence. We'll sell price do you can see what price did here. We see price all coming into this region, so 107.85, which has served as a strong support previously. So my anticipation is that price might start rejecting this region. There's probably a lot of buys from here now, and that means we might start seeing some sell opportunities on pound USD. The only reason I might be looking for something different is price comes back to break below this, which I highly doubt. But for now, I think we might start seeing price surge back to these regions and these regions. If that happens, it means we will be looking for opportunities to sell pound USD. Okay. All right, now oil, lastly, my anticipation, that's the only trade I've taken so far, which is a loss. I did anticipate that if price comes back into the regions of 76.24, we could look for potential buys. It did come into this region, and I saw a bullish engulfing candle. When price was pulling back to these regions, I went into a buy. My stop loss was just below this region, and as you can see, I got taken out, and basically price looks like it retested that region now and possibly might start selling to the downside. So basically that's that. I followed my plan, but at this point when price was retesting this region, I think I was not available to actually go in for a sell from this region. So let's see how oil plays out for the rest of the week. And back on gold, my anticipation going forward will still remain to see price come back from these regions here. I don't want to make the charts too messy, so I'm just going to shift this and shift this. Basically my anticipation so far now will now be if price can pull back to these regions here, and we can go for buys. All right, that's that for gold. That's the weekly updates. Let's see how the rest of the week plays out, and do enjoy the rest of the week. Ciao.